Hey, this is JC. Welcome to Urban Life Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. Today we're going to have a look at this mini tool and repair EDC pouch. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. And if you'd like to support the channel even more, to check out my shop links in the pinned comment or description below. You can even join as a channel member. Thanks a lot. Over the years, I've built a lot of various EDC pouches, from tools, survivals, and just convenience kits. Do check out that playlist in the link in the card above or description below. So what I've put together here is a mini tool and repair EDC pouch. And it uses one of these nylon pouches, clamshell style, zipped all around. And I'm actually really fond of these pouches because they're inexpensive, they're pretty durable, and they're very lightweight. So the dimensions are 4 inches by 3 inches by about 1 inch, but it expands in size if needed. There's a bit of give, so even if you stuff it a bit more, it can expand slightly, which is actually pretty good. So I think it's a great way to carry various EDC items or tools if you want to carry it in a sling bag or a pouch or a bag. You do not want to pocket carry this. I think this is a bit too big. So this is really if you want to carry an EDC tool and repair kit. You do not want to bring a big pouch out. You obviously do not want a toolbox, but you want a bunch of tools, and you want more than just a large multi-tool, for example. Let's have a look at what we have inside this mini tool and repair EDC pouch. As you can see, it's really packed with items on top and below. Let's start at the bottom with this pencil. Always good to mark wood if you need to drill holes or cut. I've got several of these containers inside, and this is to keep all the loose items. This is metal. It's a tin container, slides off just like that, and I've got a whole bunch of small items inside. This is a mini bubble level from Ant EDC. I've got some Kevlar thread for cordage. Mini pair of tweezers made of titanium, also from Ant Design. This is a pre-threaded needle and thread inside the straw for safekeeping, and I've got 2 safety pins. Over here I've got another container. This is just an aluminum kind of a cylinder tube. There's electrical tape wrapped around, and inside is a screw lid. Just got a whole bunch of different screws, and it really depends on your needs, right? What you might need in terms of screws, washers, rivets, and things like that. You can just put it in a container like that. It prevents it from just running all around. Over here I've got an Altoids tin. This is the mini Altoids tin. I've got a rubber band around it. Now it doesn't need the rubber band to keep shut, but rubber band is very useful in terms of DIY and repairs. And inside this Altoids tin, I've actually put just, again, various loose items. I've got some duct tape over here, some super glue, always important for DIY. I've got 2 cable ties, and what I have around here is a large plastic straw, the sort you use for bubble tea or boba tea. Just cut a bit like that, and you make a sleeve, and it's a great way to keep cable ties. This is from 711L Tools. So this is a mini ratchet, really great tool set, and you can check out a link. I've done a video on this before. It's a mini ratchet. Paper clip, and this tool here is by MRF Tools out of Ukraine. This is a mini multi-tool. It's kind of a keychain tool, but it's got a little pry bar, it's got screwdrivers, open wrench boxes, so it takes up very little space, and this keyring is for it to be threaded on the tool so you get more leverage. With the 711L tool ratchet, you need bits. This is 4mm bits, so it fits the ratchet perfectly, and this particular set is actually from Roxxon, another brand, but you can get any kind of 4mm bits. Over here, another product from Ant Design. This is made from titanium. It's essentially a art cutter over here, so kind of a razor just within this. So although I do have knives within the multi-tools, sometimes you really need a sharp razor to cut paper, to cut carpet, for fine repair work. Here's another tool from MRF Tools. It's made from aluminum, very lightweight, but this can be used as a ruler, it can be used to get angles, or as a protractor, you can draw circles. So to me, just really small, lightweight, but very functional, and it's great for a kit like this. Now over here on top I've got several items. This is the Cobra XS by Knipex. So over here I have an LED light. So sometimes I would have a light on me, most of the times, if not you have your phone, but it's good to just have a small light in a kit like that, just so that you can find items if you need in the dark. This Ranger band was put in place just so that I could put in that LED light. Other than that, it's got no bearing, and that's the Knipex pliers. I've got two more items over here, both multi-tools. They're made by Next Tool. This is the Mini Sailor Scissors Edition. I think it's a great complement to the pliers that I have in this kit. So this is a small multi-tool with various tools in the handle, from files to screwdrivers and blades. So just your general small multi-tool, but really nice because it's got that really nice big pair of scissors. And finally, we have another Next tool. This is the silver blade. Now you can see there is a blade over here. We've got a multi-tool over here, but the main thing really is this pliers. Now definitely not as good as, let's say, the Knipex. However, it's got a needle nose. It can provide a grip, and sometimes you do need two pliers to do some jobs. So I have both here, and I think that covers a lot of bases for a kit like this. I hope you enjoyed this look at my mini tool and repair EDC pouch. What are your thoughts on this pouch? Do you think I should add anything in or switch anything out? Have you ever built such a pouch using one of these nylon pouches? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.